Hey guys, we're trying out a new tube by Jonard. This is a pulley. It's gonna help us on our right angle run that we're running today. We're gonna be running 7 lines up in the warehouse rafters from this IDF right here. So we're gonna try this out, see if it works for us. I think it's gonna be a great addition to our toolkit. Right now, what we're gonna be doing is labeling all of the cabling one by one. Maybe a 200-foot run with a right angle turn in it. So hopefully this helps us out.
The first thing we want to do before running our cables is to prepare each one, and that includes labeling. First, we label each box 1 through 7. This way I know which cable is which after the run is completed. Then I'll work on labeling the ends of each cable. Then I'll tie them all together with some electrical tape. This will make it easier to keep the cables together while I'm running them. Now I'm going to work on pulling the cables up into the rafters.
We're above the IDF right now. We pulled the cables up and they're going to run down these rafters here. I'm very impressed with the pulley so far. This has been awesome. I originally didn't have it in here, or I didn't install it, and I had the cables just kind of coming over this rafter. It was getting a lot harder to pull, you know, the farther I went. I only went a few feet down that way so far. As soon as I installed this, I just zip tied it. This opens up and then you can slide your cables right on top. Ever since then, it's been very, very easy to pull the cables, and this is 7 cables I got in here, and there's plenty of space to pull some more. This is going to make the run so much quicker, so much faster, and a lot easier for me. And I can do this run by myself. I don't need another person now to help me out. So far, this has been really good. I'm going to keep pulling some more cable here, and we'll see what happens when we get to the end and we have to do a 90-degree turn. I think it's gonna work out great. Can't wait. Yeah, just pulling right here makes it so much easier. If I didn't have the pulley right now, it would be so hard to pull the cable over the rafter. And plus I'll be damaging the cables as well. Such a game changer. So I'm about 100 feet away from the IDF and I'm still pulling here. It's still going pretty good. It got a little harder, but without the pulley, it'd be so much harder to pull these cables. So I'm pretty happy with this. Like I said, it's going really well. Let's keep it going. So we got the corner pulley installed. We have a zip tied here and the cables come around it. So I'm excited to see how this turns out. I think it's gonna be great. And we're gonna have no problem having 2 pulleys in this run so far. So yeah, just some zip ties. And when we're done, we'll come back and clip those zip ties, take them off, and properly cable manage the lines. Yeah, let's see how it goes. So now that we got the corner pulley up, I'm gonna keep pulling more cable around the corner. So we have 2 pulleys now, one in the corner, one at the beginning of the run. So here I am pulling. It's a little hard, but it still pulls. I want to say this is a success for this pulley. If not, we would need someone else there to help us manage that corner, or I would have to pull a bunch of slack and have to manage that slack all the way to the end point of the cable. So we just finished running the 7 cables for this drop using these pulleys. Can't say enough good things about them. I was really glad we decided to buy these and use them for our low voltage installations. We'll definitely be buying more for our technicians in the future, and we're gonna be using these on every single job that we get on. Yeah, it made this run a lot easier, a lot quicker, and just less stress and less effort on pulling the cables through the warehouse rafters. Yeah, we're gonna get some more of these. Thanks so much for watching.